Hi guys, I'm going to show you in this video how I did my own extended ponytail. Thank you for watching. And there you have it, guys. Nice little ponytail. Nice and long. Baby hairs on fleek. The hook. Highlight on fleek. So yeah. Nice and cute and long. So please subscribe. I need all the subscribers I can get. And yeah, subscribe. Comment, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. Look at me.